Hello second years, welcome to maths class. In previous class we discussed about 7 marks questions, long question, circle passing through 3 points, then find that circle equation. If any circle passing through the 3 points, then find the circle equation. Like that we solved the long questions. Very important and most repeated question. So after that I have given small topic, length of the tangent to a point to the circle. What is meant by tangent? If a line touch the circle at only one point, that is called the tangent. Tangent means nothing but the line, and its formula also given to you. Length of the tangent is equal to root S11. Formula is also given to you. So we will solve the exercise problems today, right? So exercise 1b. See the first question. If the length of the tangent from 5, 4 to this circle is given as 1, then find k. One circle equation is given to us, but in that k is there, and one point is given to you, that is 5, 4. We have to find k value. It is 2 marks question, most repeated 2 marks question. So how we will solve that question? See, first, given circle equation is, what is given circle equation to you? What is the given circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0. And the point is also given to you. What is the point? P x1 y1 is equal to 5, 4. Given that length of tangent is given as is equal to 1. What is the formula for length of the tangent? It is root S11 is equal to 1. Root S11 is equal to 1. But what is S11? How we will get S11? In the circle equation S, we will consider any circle equation as S. In the circle equation, in place of x, if we take x1, in place of y, if we take y1, we will get our S11. So here your S11 with respect to this circle is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2k y1 is equal to 1. So squaring on both sides. So why we are doing like that? To cancel this square root is equal to x1 square y1 square plus 2k y1 whole square is equal to 1. Square root will get cancelled. Now you substitute your x1 y1 value. x1 is 5, y1 is 4. So come on, it is 5 square plus 4 square plus 2k into y1. What is y1? It is 4 is equal to 1. It is 25 plus 16 plus 2 4s are 8k is equal to 1. So how much? 41 plus 8k is equal to 1. 8k is equal to 1 minus 41 is equal to minus 40. So k is equal to minus 40 by 8 is equal to minus 5. That's all. That is the answer for this problem. So very simple. One circle equation is given to you, point is given to you, and the length of the tangent is equal to 1 is given to you. Length of the tangent formula is root of S11, right? So how we will get a S11? If we substitute x place x1, y place y1 in S, we will get your S11. S means it is circle equation. Always circle equation is represented by S. So then squaring and substituting, you will get your k value. Now come to the second question. What is your second question here? If the length of the tangent from 2, 5 to this circle is root 37, find k. So you can ask, madam, this second one is also of same type of first one. Yes, both are same, but both are very repeated and selected questions. That's why I am giving this second question also. So this is our second question. Find the k value if the length of tangent from this point to this circle is given. Again here we have to find the k value. So come on, what is the circle equation here? Circle equation is, what is the circle equation? X square plus y square, after that minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0, and point is given to you, p x1 y1 point is given to us as 2, 5, right? Circle equation point, and given that length of tangent, given that length of tangent is equal to, what is the length of tangent value given in the question? Is equal to root 37. So length of the tangent formula is root S11 is equal to root 37. Squaring on both sides, you will get S11 is equal to 37. Now we have to get our S11 value. How we will get S11? So always circle equation is S is equal to 0. In that circle equation, in place of x you take x1, in place of y you take y1, you will get your S11. So it is x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 plus 4y1 plus k is equal to 37. Your x1, y1 values are given to you. x1 is 2, y1 is 5. So substitute, it is 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 plus k is equal to 37. So it is 4 plus 25 minus 10, 4 5s are 20 plus k is equal to 37. So how much? 4 plus 25, 29. 29 plus 20, 49. 49 minus 10 plus k is equal to 37. That is 39 plus k is equal to 37. Then k is equal to 37 minus 39 is equal to minus 2. So very simple. First we have to take the circle equation and a point. Then given that length of the tangent is root 37. Length of the tangent formula is this one. And how we will get S11 means, in any circle equation, in x place you take x1 and in y place you take y1, then you will get your S11 value. So substitute, and you know your x1 value, y1 value, then we will get our k value. These two are 2 marks questions and very important. Most repeated questions from this exercise. Actually both are of same kind, but most repeated. That's why I have given both the problems. Now come to the third question, which is very important for 4 marks. Your third question is important for 4 marks. Read the question. Third question. Actually, before solving the problem, don't do the problem blindly. So first read the question carefully and try to understand the information which is given to you. Then start solving the problem. So come to third question. This is your third question. What is that? If a point P is moving, that the lengths of tangents from P to 2 circles are in the ratio 2:3, then find the locus of P. So what is this? Just you are reading the question, madam. So very simple, girls. There are 2 circles, right? There are 2 circles and one point is there, P x1, y1. So from this point, if you draw one tangent to first circle and another tangent to second circle, right, then lengths of tangents. So here it is touching. What is meant by tangent? The line which touch the circle at one point is called tangent. So PT1 and this is PT2, right? So this is the tangent to the first circle. This is the tangent to the second circle. In the question it is given that if a point P is moving, that the lengths of the tangents from P to first circle and second circle are in the ratio 2:3. So if we take the ratio of the lengths of the tangent, if we take the ratio of the lengths of the tangent, they are in the ratio 2:3. Then find the locus of that point. Find the locus of that point. Any equation in terms of x1, y1 is called locus of that point. So come on, how we will solve most repeated 4 marks question from this topic. What is that? Length of tangent. So once again, 2 circles are there. From one point we have taken the tangents to 2 circle, first circle as well as second circle. If we take the ratio of the lengths of those tangents, ratio of the lengths of the tangent, that ratio is given as 2:3. So we have to find that locus of P now. So come on, first what are the given circle equations? This is the question, third question, right? So what are the circle equation? First circle, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. And second circle, x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0 be the 2 circle equations. 2 circle equations. Okay, so here it is given that let P x1 y1 be a point, right? So now the lengths of the tangents PT1, PT2, if we take, you consider one length is PT1 and another length is PT2. If we take their ratio, it is in 2:3. So what is the given information? Given that PT1 is equal to, actually their ratio, right? PT1 by PT2 is equal to, it is 2/3. PT1 by PT2. The ratio of the length of the first tangent by length of the tangent to the second circle. Length of the tangent to the first circle is PT1 and length of the tangent to the second circle is PT2. Their ratio is given as 2:3. Right girls? Okay. So now cross multiplication. So it is 3PT1 is equal to 3PT2. Right. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What happens? 9PT1 square is equal to 4PT2 square. 9 into, what is PT1? PT1 is nothing but the length of the tangent from P to first circle. So how we will take the length of the tangent formula? You know it. Length of the tangent formula is root S11. So it is root S11 for the first circle. This is your circle equation. In this equation, wherever x is there, we have to take x1. Wherever y is there, we have to take y1. Then we will get our S11. So come on, PT1 is nothing but the length of the tangent to the first circle. So root of S11 of this one. What is it? X1 square plus Y1 square minus 4X1 minus 6Y1 minus 12. Okay, so for that whole square is equal to 4 into what is PT2? Length of the tangent, right, to the second circle, from the point to the second circle. PT2 is the length of the tangent from the point P x1 y1 to the second circle. This is your second circle. For this you have to write S11. What is the formula? Root S11. So root of S11 is x1 square y1 square plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. For this whole square, square root cancels. Now open the brackets. What happens? It is 9x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 9 4s are 36x1, 9 6s are 54y1 minus 12 9s are 70, 12 9s are 9 2s are 18, right? 9 1s are 9, right? So it is 108 is equal to 0. Similarly, you open the brackets, here square root cancels. So 4 into x1 square, 4 into y1 square, 4 6 are 24 x1 plus 18 4s are 72 y1 plus 4 into 26, 4 6 are 24, 2 will be there, 4 2s are 8, it is 104. Try to write all the values one side. It is 9x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 36x1 minus 54y1 minus 108 minus 4x1 square minus 4y1 square minus 24x1 minus 72y1 minus 104 is equal to 0. So come on, it is 9x1 square minus, directly we will do, otherwise 9x1 square minus 4x1 square, 9y1 square minus 4y1 square. Writing x terms together, 36x1 and 24x1. Y terms together, minus 54y1 minus 72y1 minus 108 minus 104 is equal to 0. So come on, 9x1 square minus 4x1 square, it is 5x1 square plus 5y1 square minus 24 minus 36 minus 60x1, and how much here? This is 6 and this one is 12, 126 y1 minus 12 1 2 is equal to 0 is the equation of the locus of the point P. Actually question is find the equation of the locus of P. P point is x1 y1. So any equation in terms of x1 y1 is called its locus, right? So how we will find? Just you take the point and draw the tangents to the circle. Their ratio of the length of the tangent is 2:3. So PT1 by PT2 is equal to 2 by 3 cross multiplication. After that squaring on both sides, right? Then what is PT1? PT1 is the length of tangent to the first circle from the point, right? Its formula is root S11. So in the S formula, wherever x is there, you take x1. Wherever y is there, you take y1. So square root is there, so squaring on both sides and simplify the values. Finally, you will get your locus equation. So these are the 3 questions today. First, length of the tangent. So actually all 3 are based on this formula, length of the tangent from one point to the circle. So always remember, so tangent means the line which touch the circle at one point, right? So suppose here is your P, x1, y1. So length of the tangent means we will find this one. So length of the tangent formula is root S11. And how we will take this S11 means any time throughout the chapter we have to take the given circle equation as S is equal to 0. In that equation, in x place you take x1, in y place you take y1, then you will get your S11 and they will give one point. You consider that point as x1, y1, substitute it, you will get your length of the tangent. So actually in previous class I solved one length of the tangent problem. Now we solve these 2. Maximum we can expect one question from length of the tangent. Its formula is root S11. So S11 is how we will get S11 means in the circle equation, whatever be the given circle, we will consider that as S. Always circle equations are denoted by S is equal to 0. In that circle equation, in x place you take x1, in y place you take y1, you will get your S11. So for that you take the root, you will get your length of the tangent. So in this problem it is given that the ratio of the length of the tangents is 2:3. So that's why you take the 2 tangents, right, from point to 2 circles. 2 circle equations are given to you. So from the point 2 you take the tangent to the first circle, tangent to the second circle. Then you take the ratio for that, right? So after that just cross multiplication and length of the tangent formula is root S11. That formula applied here. PT1 is the length of the tangent from P to first circle and PT2 is the length of the tangent from the point to second circle. Why we have taken squaring on both sides? Actually here there is no square root, but we have taken squaring on both sides means length of the tangent formula contains root value. That's why squaring on both sides, the square roots will get cancels. Once cancels, just you open the bracket and write all the values in left side. And finally if you observe, your equation will be in terms of x1 and y1. Any equation in terms of x1 and y1 is called locus of the point P, x1, y1. So finally write down is the equation of locus of point P. This is the required thing. Find the locus of P. See the third question. What is that? Find the equation of locus of P. Any equation in terms of x1, y1 by taking the given condition. We used the condition. What is that condition? Length of the tangents makes the ratio 2:3. That is the condition. So if we take that condition, you will get your locus equation. So simple problems based on length of the tangent and its formula is root S11. How we will get that S11? In the equation S, wherever x is there, you take x1. Wherever y is there, you take y1. You will get your S11. And definitely in the question, they will give one point. Consider that point as x1, y1 and substitute if you want to get the length of the tangent. If you substitute x1, y1 values and simplify, you will get your required length of the tangent. Okay. So don't forget to practice the problems. That's all for today. Have a nice day.